So this is the second video on how to do chains. It's not really different from the other one, except that at the end, I just wanted you to see the different parts of a chain, which is also why I'm doing this voiceover. But essentially you have a teardrop shape, and when you yarn over the hook part, you want to pull through the bottom of the teardrop. That way it doesn't get stuck. And then in order to keep your chains the same size, you want to make sure that the yarn, the loop that's on your hook, can glide up and down the hook itself, the body of the hook. That way they end up all being the same size. You can use, your finger to hold on to the yarn on your hook, but I wouldn't recommend it. And then here you have the top loop, the bottom loop, and back loop. So all three of those can be used to crochet in different ways. Most commonly you'd use the top loop. So there you go.